Hunyuan Image2Video is here. It is uncensored. Tachache dropped the FP8 and GGUF models 10 minutes ago, and you got SwarmUI and Swarm day one support. So we're just gonna run it through Swarm. So this is what you're gonna see by the end. We're gonna have a starting image. I have this woman here, and that turns into this woman here. I just ran out quick. This is 100 frames, and this is Swarm. So you have a UI and everything, right? So if you don't have Swarm, you can go to the link. All the links are going to be in the description. Scroll down here, Swarm installing on Windows. There's a bat file. Just download that, run it through. It's going to be super easy. Just run the default settings, and then you're going to have this started, right? If you already had Swarm, update it. There's a inside here server, update and restart server. That'll get you the new version. Get the new version first, and then download the model. Because if you don't, the metadata might be messed up. You're going to download the model. I'm currently using the Hunyuan Image2Video FP8 by Tachache. It's here. Well, it's actually 36 minutes ago. So I'm going to drop this link in the description too. So just get that. That'll go in your models. And when you find models, you're going to find diffusion models and drop that straight in there, whether you are in Comfy or Swarm, right? Then you should be able to see your model in the Image2Video list here. If you can't, well, if you can't even see Image2Video, well, then you might need to find your model down here or in the model selector here. So here we have a bunch of models. Let's say I select something else. I select none here. So this is what it might look like for you. And then you gotta go, oh, okay, I'm gonna search for Hunyan. You can actually type Hun here, and then you're gonna see Hunyan Video I2V FP8. There we go. If you did get one of the GGUF models, well, download that one instead, or rather load that one instead. Now you're going to need to use the init image here. So drag and drop an image into here. Make sure the creativity is set to 0. So this is similar to denoising. So just set this to 0 if it is not already. Then you're going to find Image2Video somewhere. Here that is, Image2Video. Take that. Let's activate that one. Make sure that we have Hunyan Video I2V selected. Select the number of frames you want to do. So this is 100 frames, so it's about 4 seconds. So if you want to do like some testing, you set this to 25 frames. Video steps 2 is fine. Make sure video CFG is set to 1, right? Honestly, that's basically all you need to do. If you press generate now, you will actually get something generating. You will get something, well, hopefully similar to this. Now, some of you might be asking, well, can I get Tachache with this? Well, you actually can. So if you go down to advanced sampling here, there is Tachache, but if you can't see it, I have Tachache here, Tachache mode, all disabled, whatever, right? I usually disable, I set it to all, just left this to default. But if you don't have it, it's going to be a button here saying install Tachache. Click that and Tachache will be installed for you. And if you have no idea what I'm talking about, Tachache is just going to speed up your generation. So if you can get it installed, try it. It's cool. Now, if I press generate here now, this will start generating. You will see a little thingamajig up here saying, oh, I'm working. And well, as soon as that's finished, you will see a generation. Now, you will not see that happening in the terminal as you do in Comfy or the log or whatever you want to call it, but you will have the progress up here. And as you can see, for me now, running 25 frames is fairly quick, but I am also running Tachache, right? And this is now a square image running at the default resolution. We actually have video resolution set here, model preferred. And here we have, I had the problem, woman laughs. It didn't really have time to do that. And as you can see, there's a slight glitch in the beginning of the first frame there. Not sure what that is, but we're still testing. It's been minutes since the release. So yeah, this is just a way to get you started. I'm currently running this at Euler. I think it's simple. Let's see. Core parameters, no, sampling. There we go. Euler, oh, actually normal. Euler normal. So if you find a better setting or a better default, let me know in the comments. If not, this is just how to get you started with Hunyuan Image2Video. So good luck, stay beautiful, make some great Image2Videos, and as always, have a good one. See ya.